So I just took my hair out of my bonnet and my curls looking crazy. So I'm gonna show y'all how I pull it together. Fluffing at the root. Get some honey almond foam. My secret sauce. Put that around my edges for y'all. One side. Other side. And in the back. You gotta get the back. And once that's done, I put a little twist and lock gel from Influence on my edges. Help smooth that out. On the back. And now that's there. You brush it in. Separate this whole front portion of my hair.
Socialize with friends and family regularly. I view humankind
Close that.
as extended family.
And then put this up.
I find ways to stay physically active. I eat foods that are beneficial to my well-being. I am healthy. I create positive habits.
Wrap it around twice, stretch out the bun, give it some life, leave this part out, and basically position it where I want it. So right now, I don't like that. So I'm actually gonna get a loose scrunchie and pull that up to the top. And that's just helping it to stay in the direction I want it to be. Now that that's done, do a couple bobby pins. And jazz it up by putting this on top.
I love my uniqueness. I explore my curiosities. I find joy in the simple things. I love to laugh. I make time for fun. I work hard and enjoy the fruits of my labor. I believe the ultimate currency in life is love. I find joy in helping others.